we made it through the first month. Getting through June was a bit rough. It started off real strong, then went real wet. Now we're back to snow and we're making the most of it. The teams are having good runs. The dogs are all in good spirits. Each day is absolutely stunning up here. It's just breathtaking being back up on Mount Buller. We're very lucky to have this trail that we've got. We're tucked away on Cornhill Road. We're getting through each of the tours. The dogs are running strong. We're just managing to scrape through though by the skin of our teeth. As much as we can use the wheel car, we like to go for the sled, and we are just clinging on this trail. We'll all get through. The snow is coming. It should be due this week actually, so gear up for episode 3. Our 2 Italian mushers are having a great time, learning their new teams, checking out the new trail, taking clients out each day, and having a ball. It's Giulia's first season with us. She's enjoying herself quite immensely. Thanks to our handyman Ryan, we chip away a little bits of maintenance work each day. We make sure those kennels are clean. We're making sure the dogs are in prime condition. We make sure that they're eating well. Because these rescue dogs, like all animals, deserve our love. Every day is packed out with bookings, meet and greets. We're having a lot of fun with all the tourists coming in from overseas, and they're getting a chance to really experience the Australian bush. And what an opportunity to do sled dogs. Most people, even in America and that, don't even think we have snow in this country, and here we are. We've had the first batch of wedding photography and even a proposal. With more snow comes more tours. The days are getting longer. The daylight is getting shorter. Some of the sunsets have been absolutely phenomenal. We were lucky enough to get a horse donated, so thanks to Ryan and myself, we were able to extract some of that meat, and the dogs got a nice little treat of horse mixed in with their usual diet. Bring on the snow, and see you guys in episode 3 of Australian Sled Dog Diaries.